Mamy ladybugi. Let's see the ladybugs.
Czekaj, bo to strasznie świeci. Co?
Oh, Vaj widzi?
Wait, they're already coming out.
Nie, nic nie widzę, bo
Oh, sure, it's too bright.
O, one są żywe?
Tak.
So
Pełno
should I just
ich
put-
jest.
put-
Jak oni zbierają te... Widzisz ta róża? Tu tyle miała ładnych kwiatów,
Why
a
don't you
to
tap
wszystko
a
jakieś
few?
tak...
Okay.
Stara jest.
To the...
I can't.
All the way down.
Tam nic.
But I can't reach over there.
Róże czy podróże, czy jak?
Podróże.
Nie podróże.
I just drooled.
Co?
Don't be a weirdo.
Leciało ci do buzi? Biedronka.
They're literally immediately reproducing right now.
To jakieś...
What are you grossing out
They're
about?
tickling me really bad.
Okay, you're supposed to go to the bottom. They're not even on a plant. God, this is not going.
I'm saying.
It's not going the way I expected it to. Wait, I'm trying to save one. No, it doesn't want me. Yeah, there they are down there.
They'll be fine.
One przejdą sobie przez...
Okay, good job, Valen. Yeah.
I'm gonna leave this over here.
Yeah, you're supposed to leave the container so that they can all get out
Reproducing on me.
immediately. On a blade of grass. I see one. Somewhere. Oh, there it is.
Hey, get off my body, you freak.
It's not a freak, it's a lady.
It's a man and a woman.
What is it doing? It's eating a droplet of water.
Ta róża już jest w ogóle.
What does it have in his mouth?
Ona gdzieś korzeń ma tam do sąsiada. Nie wiem.
Look, there's lichen.
What is it eating, Valen?
What do you mean? Woda pije.
Co, jaszczurka weszła?
Droplet right now as we speak. What? Why?
Mom, look right here. Wherever it goes.
Ja tak myślę, coś widzę, jakby ślimak siedział tam taki czarny albo ptaszek.
Gdzie?
Bugs.
Is it eating a bug or is... Oh! Look, it's gathering the moisture off the edge of the leaf. Why is it...
It's thirsty.
The ladybugs are supposed to stay in the area if there's enough moisture and food. It's a good idea to let them out during dusk or dawn so that they are less inclined to fly. And you want to release them at the bottom of the plant because, you know, they climb up. You're free! Well, you're free to stay in my grandma's garden, pretty please. Ladybug, ladybugs, don't fly away. The ladybugs are meant to be released evening or morning but it was always too dark for my grandma, so we did the best we could. Hopefully they stay and eat all her aphids. Sadly, the next day I couldn't find any of these ladybugs, but you know, we'll always have these memories.